Today, we're going to do some poetry review using the poem Eating While Reading by Gary Soto. You used this poem yesterday to find out what the poem means. Today, we're going to look a little deeper at the poem and find the poetic devices in the poem, such as rhyme, repetition, alliteration, and personification. Before we start the poetic devices, look at the poem and find out how many stanzas there are. Record your answer on the side of your poem in your packet. Now I want you to label the lines in the poem. How many lines are in this poem? Remember, a line is like a sentence in writing. So we have what is better is line 1, then this book is line 2, and the churn of candy is line 3, and so on. Label all the lines in the poem. How many are there? Next, we're going to use this chart to help us record our answers to what poetic devices we find in the poem, but this chart will also help us to remember what each one of these poetic devices means. The first one we're going to look at is rhyme. Rhyme is having the same sound at the end of 2 or more words. At, bat, and cat all have the same ending sound, so they rhyme. You're going to go to this poem, Eating While Reading, and find 2 examples of rhyming words from the poem. Then you're going to come and write them in this box right here. The next poetic device we're going to look at is repetition. Repetition is using the same word, phrase, line, or stanza 2 or more times in a poem. A good example of repetition was the poem Gotta Go. In the poem Gotta Go, the word phrase was gotta go that kept being repeated. You're going to go to your poem, Eating While Reading, and find 2 examples of repetition in the poem, and you're going to record your answer here. The next thing we're going to look for is alliteration. Alliteration is repeating this consonant sound at the beginning of nearby words. A good example is Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. You can hear the p, p, p sound in the beginning of each one of those words, and they're nearby each other. You're going to go to the poem and you're going to find 2 examples of alliterations in the poem Eating While Reading and record your answer here. Finally, we're going to look for personification. Personification is giving human characteristics to non-human things such as animals, objects, or ideas. A good example is the cookies were calling me from the kitchen. The cookies weren't actually calling the person. It's giving a human characteristic to a non-human thing. Okay? You're going to go to this poem and find an example of personification and record your answer here. Okay, and that's what we're going to do today for Poetic Device Review.